all are doing good. So since it's been 1 year and like more than 1 year since we have started YouTubing and vlogging, so we thought of giving you some tips to all the budding YouTubers and vloggers that how to review a product. There are many review platforms also which give you an opportunity to review the products, even if you are not a YouTuber or a vlogger, but you are like a general customer, then you can review those products. So here are some tips to all the budding YouTubers and vloggers for the about how to review a product. The first tip is like you need to first name the product, the entire full name of the product you are reviewing with the brand name. Then comes that you have to tell something, a small description about the brand. If there's some new brands, some Indian brands, foreign brand or whatever, then you have to tell about the first impression about the product, which contains like packaging, then comes pricing, then comes like what all it is meant to do, what is the formulation, like if it is like lipstick or something, then the pigmentation, etc. Then you have to do a detailed review about that product, in which you have to make your detailed review in two parts, in which the first part will contain that what all the brand or the product claims that that product is going to do. Then the next part contains what does the product actually do, like what's your experience with the product. Then this has to be a bit detailed and personal, like what you feel about the product. Then comes the also here you have to mention all the variants if there are any available for the product. Then comes the pros and cons, which you have to just mention in which is to the point thing. So you have to mention some pros and cons in short, so that if the reader is not interested in reading all that thing, then they can just jump to pros and cons and just get a rough idea about what the product is. So then comes that will you recommend people or your readers to buy that product or not, and also that are you gonna purchase that product again or not. So it's all your recommendation. So there's one more tip, the review is all over, we don't want to extend it so long that our readers just feel like sleeping and not getting to the website and purchasing that product. So there's also a tip for bloggers and reviewers that you should never speak good about any product you don't personally feel that that product is good. Any product you don't personally like, you should never say good things about that product just because of getting like some freebies from the brand, or maybe that you got that product as a freebie to review or something. So you should not do that, and hence for this reason you should never take products from brands for barter system or for reviewing. If the brand says that you have to only speak positive about our product, because you don't know how the product is gonna work and you're really gonna like it, or it's gonna do some allergic reactions, or whatever it is meant to, it is not doing that job. So you cannot do fake reviews, otherwise you're gonna lose your readers and followers. So there's also a tip for the viewers and the readers who read all those blogs and reviews of products from different bloggers, that they feel like some bloggers do it for collaboration, for getting freebies, and they give some fake reviews. But the reality is that we all have some different skin types, some different skin problems, skin concerns, genetic issues and everything. So what is working good for me may not work that good for you as well. What works for me does not work for Aishwarya or Shambhavi. So we three have different preferences too. So it's not that I am giving a fake review or someone is giving a fake review if that product is not working for you. We give genuine reviews reviews. But if like we all have different skin problems, different skin concerns, the skin types, so what may work for me may not work for you. So you should always search for people, like if like any blogger is giving a review and you use that product for according to her review and it worked exactly the same on your skin also, it means that you and that blogger has kind of a similar skin type and skin problems. So you can always go with the reviews of that blogger because that will perfectly suit your skin. So this was all about the video. I hope I helped you all about how to review a product and what are the truths about reviewing a product, that it's not someone is doing a fake review or a good review. So there's no such thing, it's just skin to skin. So we hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also do tag people in the comment section below which are budding YouTubers or bloggers who need to know all these tips, and it will be great and useful to them. So do not forget to tag and share this video with them. So have a nice day, and we'll see you super soon in our next video. Till then, stay happy and keep finding the little secrets of life. Bye.